Hello, my name is Reed. If you don't know me, the joke here is I know you. I'm just kidding. Either way, I decided today to go through Steam to look for free games off of the Steam library, Steam store, see if I can find anything good. And while this doesn't necessarily look the best, it does look interesting. It's free to play, and it's not like I haven't played this before, with a recording where it was incredibly small and did not center on the screen, and so nope, going in with this with fresh eyes, like just like you. So we're gonna play Garten of Ban Ban. Ooh. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. If I do, didn't see much of a difference. Kids, stop talking now. Okay, we got wood planks and stuff. So somebody's around here doing something. Door's open. That's a thing. At least he's not looking at you, right? He's wearing a skirt made of blood. All right, it's a thing. It's dark. It's dark. But I liked it better when I could see him. Guess we're going in. Ooh. Ban Ban's Gart. Is it kindergarten or kindergarten? No, Garten's German, but I don't remember. Guys, why is he weirdly phased through everybody else? Well, no, so is she. So it's okay. So these are PNGs, but they're placed on top of each other, I guess. It's still good design. That guy looks like he eats people. This guy looks like a warmonger. She's totally filled with cocaine. And if you haven't gone and looked at this game, I definitely suggest you do for the comment section at least, or the reviews, because this guy, girl, I don't remember, is apparently called the sexy bird. So, yeah, you can take that how you want. I guess we'll decide by the time we get there. And this guy just looks like a Sonic Colors wisp, but I guess we all can't be original. It's balloons creativity area. Eat vegetables and fruit to become strong like me. No, you're green. I don't trust that. All right. Open the door. Ooh. Control. Nothing works. Oh, requires 2 batteries. Gotcha. Desk. Yeah, it's like I've never played this before. Promise you. Absolutely did not do a full recording moments ago. 2 batteries. Having many armies allows me to help a lot more people. I strangle or whatever that wisp color is. Okay, hi. Hello. Yeah. Pretty simple stuff. Boop. Fly. Oh, you didn't do it. There you go. Well, if it isn't the sexy bird, go. Hit him. Or it. Go. Oh, you just crashed into an invisible wall. How about now? Takes too long between that. That really needs to change. Can only do one action at a time. And then it sits there and radiates. Oh! You don't want to touch it. Okay, I see why. You just kind of ran away from it. Perfect use of invisible walls, even though you could have just put a glass thing up, I guess. The end is here! Oh, toy cannot be directly commanded to breakable materials. The toy cannot be directly commanded. Oh, yeah, duh. That's what that means, but okay. I see what they're going at. There you go. It thumped against invisible. Okay. Naughty corner. Because it's a naughty thing to break glass. Also seems slightly cruel, but okay. Don't have a thing yet. Oh. Ban Ban says, sharing is caring. Your pancreas is mine. Kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Forget I told you. Crap. Ban Belina? She's on drugs. She's on cocaine. Captain Fiddles. Ooga, 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 ooga. I relate to that on a personal level. Can I go in here when it's dark? I can. And there it is, the sexy bird just sitting there, or is it? Let's see. Let's bring a friend stickers. Caution, heals slowly. You can't even interact with it, so. Back there. Sad days. Climb up here. Okay, or not. Teeter-totter, teeter-totter. Visible all around the teeter-totter, not swing. Just very disappointed. That's right now. That's not weird at all. Oh, Ophelia. Ophelia Bird. There's a joke there, I'm sure. I'm not gonna say it. Not gonna say it at all. Oh, egg. Room for me, please. Time to go down the slide. The slide. The slide. The slide. Okay. What else is there? What else is there? But let's see what it did. But we're on the hunt for eggs, so it doesn't matter. Not as hard, I mean, not as easy as it was last time. I mean, definitely didn't. Not record before and get to do a second time. Could use it. Is that 6? Test that theory. Six, yep. And then get baby birds out. Ugh. Alright. I don't trust you. here? Yep, there we go. Shoot a fly in the naughty corner. Fly. This opens, gives you a... No, distraction at 1. Why is 1 underlined? You know what, they teach you the skip mechanic for time and all that, but that has nothing to do with anything here. Strongest man alive. Roar. Roar. Beyblade, let it rip! Let's fight! Trick Beyblade. Beyblades. Wow. Good work on shadows, though. That's really well done. Okay. Beyblade, let it rip! Who ended up in here? Oh. Shoot the damn hammer if you touch me. Teleport, thank you. That bird. Sexy, sexy bird. Jump. What does the note say? What does the fox say? Hi, alone. I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. I know kids don't understand, but that sounds really, really weird. Everyone have party without me. Miss Mason see me but go. I'm scared because hole is loud and my friends scream in it, but bird is funny. Alright, cool. What was my color? Correct. White. Right. White. Green. Does it say? Laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. Also, you can't slaughter without laughter. Purple, if I remember correctly. Nibbles, tibbles, gibbles. Do not remember. You. Orange wisp. That's all. Interesting. Oh boy. Aren't you special? Aren't you? I think. You know what? You're not so scary. Come on. Scared? What are you doing? What are you doing? What you doing? Oh. You're scared. Not me. Scared of not me. Sound of marbles and random letter. It is time to reincarnate. Oh. It's already moving. It is already moving. Yeah? Oh, okay. You can get me while standing there. Lucky for you. He's on its way. Just gonna sit you against this wall. Get away from the edge. Yeah, yeah. I know your little games. Back off, buddy. He stops, right? Right. Ah, perfect. Get it. Yeah, yeah. Just a little faster. A little faster. Shit. Oh, what? What? It's a different color. Tea? Why would it be different colors? You think you know something I don't? Bring it up. Bitch. Hey, where's this? Why is the chair in the way? Your deadpan eyes there. Yeah, step back. Ah. It's raising, but what's slowed me down? Okay. Cool. Oh, what? Ready, ready. I'm gonna get you this time. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Bring it. Just staring at me, creepy motherfucker. Oh, we hit his head. Ooh. Hold on. Hold on. And he hit the bottom. She hit the bottom. So, what else? Is there a purple key card I missed somewhere? Maybe. Seeing one. That's a bad look for it. Out of the corner so that I can go for a purple key card. Oh. You. Okay, this was not here. Oh. What the hell was that? What is it supposed to signify? Yep. Died in a horrible crash. If all still in the walls. Is that open? No. Oh, I didn't read this earlier. Dear mommy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only way, only chance to make a player like me. Sad fish. Me with a ducker. Monster. Let's read down. It was Ophelia and Claire. Anything in here open up? What am I missing? What am I missing? What am I missing? Nothing, but those look like some pretty decent boxes. Tell me that. Tell you that. No purple. Just that thing that wasn't there before. Okay. Let's see. Alright. Check the sofas. Can I actually try that over? Okay. Anything I'm missing in here? Why would the desk be facing that way? That seems incorrect. Children behind you, and the computer's facing the wrong way. Any way to interact with these? Alright. Well. Nice to have you waiting for me. I appreciate that. Again, with the nice shadow. Anything on here? TV. So this is how a desk is supposed to face. With man, C, Montreal, Madrid, CD2, 1023, 2016. Present at check-in. And that QR code leads to. Let me see. Random website. A website that looks as the developers. Alright, I will save a screenshot of this and put it in the video, but congratulations! You've made it to the Jumbo Josh Lounge. This is where Jumbo Josh and his siblings come to rest. Uninvited guests are typically turned to mush, but you seem to have put in a lot of effort in reaching this place. Hereby, you may stay as long as you'd like. Put on some relaxing music, have some cake, and make some friends. So, I got that. Does that mean I can get in here now? Doesn't look like there's anything in there, it's just darkness. Wait, as you move around, there's something in there. Oh, that's the room from the beginning. Okay, that makes more sense. That's the one where you did the skipping time thing. Which would be great if I could get in there and skip time, but whatever. What am I doing here? Chair, move. Hit the activate button. Turn that on. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Hey, why did you... Oh. Weird. Alright, hold on. My left arm something happened. We're gonna check here again. Philly, you back yet? Nope. Nothing on the desk. It's here. Check back in the cafeteria. Nope. Nope, just that one thing. Okay. Alright. Check here. This opened. It did not. Alright. Don't know what I was expecting. Check. Still invisible walls. Appreciate that. Is that how it climbs up? Stabs its beak in and then waddles up top? That's fine. That's good. I don't know why it would let me feed it 6 eggs before it decides to kill me. Alright, let's see what that opened. Okay. Alright. See you later. Peace. I can't jump. I can't do anything. I can move. Okay. Moving's good. Moving's good. Moving would be a lot better off if the thing was moving too. Ooh. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, alright. Oh! And then we both died. Right? Or do I get up and fight again? Now that I got the tape. Oh. Just, that's the end. Now, I wouldn't call it a bad game. I would call it a proof of concept kind of thing. And yeah, it had some pretty decent stuff. Music could kind of go away